Greetings, I'm Aufa from Malaysia. First of all, I would like to thanks to MTCC and PEFC by selecting my photo for the top 12 of the competition. As we all know, the forest is very important to all living things. It is the source of oxygen we breathe in, apart from being the rain catchment for our water supplies and for the habitats of wild animals. I take that the forest has been excessively threatened. Nowadays, deforestation is rampant and had caused many wild animals lose their natural habitats. In so far, lead to the threatening of human safety. As in the case of Malaysia, wild animals such as tigers, elephants, and bears enter into human settlements. This is because their original habitats has been vanished. The forest is very inspiring to me. I spent many weekends on trekking activities in the forest looking for objects for photography. Upon finding the right spots, I set up my gears and away to capture pictures of wild animals and birds. The experiences being in the heart of the forest are very fulfilling and rewarding. The existence of organizations such as MTCC and PEFC is very important to regulate the activities in the forest. Finally, let us join hands together to care for our Mother Nature so that we can live a balanced and good lives. Thank you.